Alright, this video is a quick guide on how you can buy USDT and sell USDT using your Bybit exchange. Please pay attention and watch everything that I am about to share with you guys. When it comes to buying and selling of USDT, a lot don't even know the right way on how to go about it. Now, when it comes to buying of USDT, please take note and follow simple instructions. Now, I would like you to look at the top left of my screen. You see, you tap on home first on your Bybit. You tap on home. When it takes you to your home on your Bybit, the next thing you look at or you tap at the top left is P2P trading. Let me bring out my annotation so you see what I mean. You see where we have P2P trading. Yes, you tap on it. It opens. Just patiently wait for it to open. When it opens, there are three things here. Take a look at this. There are three things here. One is filter. Two is buy and sell. And three is amount. 1, 2, and 3. I want to buy. Let's say you want to buy. The first thing you need to do is to make sure it is on buy. Now, this is what I mean. It is on buy. And then you tap on filter. You see filter? Tap on filter. You make sure you enable these two options here. Show only verified advertiser and show only eligible ads. Tap on it. It's going to reload again. Good. Now that it has reloaded, the next thing is to tap on amount and you put the range of the USD you want to buy, but this time around in Naira. Let's say you want to buy, let me say 200,000 worth of USD. So you can just say from 100,000 and above. So you just write 100,000 and confirm. Once you do so, it will reload again. And then please pay attention here. Very important. Very important. Now, I want to trade with only those who have high volume of orders of transactions. Why? Because they will not waste my time. I want to trade with those who have high volume of transactions and high rating. Let's say from 97% and above. And the volume of transaction should be from 2,000 and above. Now take a look at the first person. You can see he has done over 5,174 orders and he has 97% rating and above. So I can choose to trade with this person. What about the next person? The next person has what? 14,477 orders, which is transactions, and 99%. In fact, I would trade with this person. But because of I don't want to transact big, I don't want to buy big USDT, a big amount of USDT. I just want to use this for an example so that you guys will understand how to buy. I will change the amount. I'll be using let me see, I have to change the amount to just 4,000 Naira worth of USDT and confirm. So I want to buy 4,000 Naira worth of USDT. So you can see it has shuffled for me, and we have this person who has what? His rating is what? And volume of transaction is what? Here is it. You can see? Sorry, I'm trying to bring up my annotation. You can see this person also meets the condition. 2,561 orders and 99%. So I am going to trade with this person, and this person will quickly accept or approve my order once he receives my payment. This is the right way to do this. A lot of people don't understand how to do this, so please, this is the right way. So I am going to tap on buy now. It will open a page and ask me to put in the amount of USDT I want to buy in fiat or with crypto, but leave it on with fiat. And you write in Naira. So I will be writing 4,000 Naira because that is what I want to buy. Then you tap on buy. Once you tap on buy, it is going to bring up this page showing you the amount you want to buy, the value in USDT, Okay, and how many units of USD will you get? Everything is here. You can see it. Everything is here. I believe you can see it clearly. You can see. So the next thing now is to tap on pay now. You tap on pay now. This is pay now. You tap on pay now down. Pay now. It will bring up another page again. Now this page is going to have the person's information, bank information you are to transfer this payment to. And you have, please take note, you have 14 minutes to do this. You have to be fast about it, please. You have to be fast. So all you need to do now is to go to your bank and you transfer this money to this person's account. So I will go to my bank account and send the equivalent in Naira, 4,000 Naira, to this account, which is Access Bank, to this person's Oluwatope. You get, that's the name to confirm the bank name and the person's name, the receiver's name. So let me quickly pause this video, okay, and go to my bank and make this payment. I have made the payment. So once you make the payment, you come back here and tap on payment completed. Please, very important, you have to do this before the time elapse, because you have less than 6 minutes right now to make this payment. But I have done it, so I'll quickly tap on payment completed and wait patiently for the USDT to be released to me. You can see it needs me to approve this to confirm this. So I'll tap on these two columns and tap on confirm. That is it. At this point, I am going to wait patiently for the next 9 minutes for this USDT to be released to me. It might not even get up to 9 minutes, sometimes 2-3 minutes. Let's wait patiently for these funds to be released to me. You can see the funds have been released, completed. This is how you can buy USDT on Bybit without any challenges, as long as you follow the simple instructions I showed you.